Hello friends, today we're making a spinach quiche with mushrooms and bacon. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook 3 slices of bacon, then set aside. Make sure to leave 1 tablespoon of bacon grease in the pan. Add half a cup of diced mushroom and half a cup of diced onion to the pan and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. Add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and mix. Cook for 1 minute. Add 6 ounces of baby spinach and cook until wilted. This takes about 3 to 4 minutes. Break your bacon into bits and add to the spinach mixture. Turn heat off and transfer spinach mixture to a bowl. Mix in 1 cup of shredded cheese of your choice. We used Colby Jack. Transfer mixture to a store-bought 9-inch pie crust. Whisk 7 eggs in a clean bowl. Mix in 1 cup of heavy cream. Slowly pour the eggs over the spinach mixture. At this point, we'd like to take a spoon and move the spinach mixture around to allow the eggs to reach the bottom. This is completely optional. Slowly pour the rest of the mixture and give it another mix. Place in your preheated oven and bake for 45 to 55 minutes or until the center is just about set. At this point, we like to add freshly grated Parmesan cheese and cook for another 5 minutes. Again, this is completely optional. Do what works for you and your family. Remove from oven, allow to cool, and you are ready to serve. We hope you liked the video and try this recipe. Enjoy!